Hi, welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. On today's episode, we are making pig in a pumpkin. Coming up. For this recipe, we are using 4 pounds of boneless pork shoulder. We are seasoning with 5 cloves of garlic, minced, half teaspoon of dried thyme, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of oregano, half teaspoon of ground sage, 1 tablespoon of fresh rosemary, 1 small red onion, 1 tablespoon of salt and black pepper to taste. Give that a mix. Now we place it in the fridge and let it marinate overnight. 24 hours later, add in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Give that a mix until all the pieces are evenly coated. On a skillet over medium-high heat, add in some extra virgin olive oil. Brown the meat very thoroughly on both sides. And please do this in batches as to not overcrowd the skillet. And for a pig in a pumpkin, we need a pumpkin, of course, and we're using a cooking pumpkin, also known as a pie pumpkin. This type of pumpkin have a sweeter flesh. Cut the top off at a 45-degree angle. You don't want to go straight down with the knife because then the lid will go right in. And here's the lid, it comes right off. You may use an ice cream scooper or a large spoon to gut the whole thing out. Place the brown meat in the pumpkin. Squeeze in 1 lemon juice. Place the pumpkin in some sort of a baking dish. Bake at 350 degrees for 4 hours. Did you know that there are more than 45 different varieties of pumpkin? They range in color like red, yellow, and green, and have names like hooligan, cotton candy, and orange smoothie. Let's see what we got here. Oops, there goes my camera lens. And if everything goes according to plan, your pig in a pumpkin would look like this. And the result is super juicy and super tender pieces of meat. And the smell is absolutely amazing. Serving with some mashed potatoes and some Brussels sprouts that I just cooked in some butter. And pretty much you can serve this with anything that you like. Now, add in some gravy. Finish it off by garnishing with a little bit of green onion or scallion. Let's give it a try. It tastes so amazing. Super soft and tender pieces of pork with so much flavor and even a small hint of that sweetness of the pumpkin. Overall, an outstanding fall recipe. And there you guys have it, pig in a pumpkin. Enjoy. Buen provecho. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, please consider subscribing. Leave me some comments down below, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Thanks for watching.